But not many male here.
In this park, not many male, only 3 boy and 2 young boy. 3 boy, 2 young boy, young male.
He really knows it.
Yeah,
He likes to come up here.
Baby suck milk with milk until 4 to 5 years. With the milk.
this one.
Suck milk until 4 years, 5 years, 4 years. Right now about 9 months old.
And the other baby eat fruit.
Eat food together with the milk, but the milk until 4 years.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
together with the soft food. Naughty boy, back kick, you see. Watch out, watch out.
He's playful.
You see him.
I think he's playful, not naughty.
Okay, we back to the